Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your industry positioning with Gartner, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your current industry positioning. Research your brand's strengths and weaknesses. Analyze your competitors' positioning to understand the market landscape. Gather data on industry trends and shifts that may impact your positioning. Leverage Gartner's research tools and resources for insights. Evaluate customer feedback and market needs to identify gaps. Define your target audience clearly. Create a unique value proposition that differentiates your brand. Develop key messaging that resonates with your audience. Align your brand's vision with the identified market opportunities. Utilize Gartner's market research to validate your positioning strategy. Implement a comprehensive marketing plan to communicate your new positioning. Monitor the response from your audience and adjust as necessary. Track industry changes and continuously refine your positioning. Engage with industry experts to gain further insights and validation. Utilize data and analytics to measure the effectiveness of your repositioning efforts. Celebrate and promote your new positioning internally and externally. Stay adaptable and open to adjustments in response to market feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.